Evening guys, Mark Lennox here, Alpha Broking. It is 5:16 p.m. on Tuesday the 1st of March 2011. We're just going to run through the pound, the Aussie and the Euro against the US tonight. Just a reminder, anything we talk about is general advice only. Alpha doesn't provide any personal financial advice whatsoever. If you are looking for personal financial advice, please feel free to go and find someone who offers it. Risk warning as always. You can incur losses greater than what you initially deposit into your account. Margin FX is a highly leveraged derivative product, so it can work for you and against you. Please ensure that you read the PDS before you trade any of these products. Let's move across the charts. We're going to start off with the Euro. Just have a look at the daily chart here. Obviously we finally had a breakout above this consolidation pattern that we've been stuck in at the 127 level, the 138.30. We were looking for momentum buy through there last night, but obviously it's just sort of chittered around today above the range. So we've got Bernanke testifying tonight at 2 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. We're expecting that to be fairly dovish, so they're going to be looking for obviously more QE2 if not QE3. It's the only way out basically now for America, so they're just going to print until there's nothing left to print basically. So look, we're looking for a break above 138.40 on the top side on the Euro. Once we get through there, we'd be looking for a move up towards the 139.47 level, which is just the extension of the swing. You could also look for resistance coming in around the 139 level, but if it breaks the top side at 138.70, it should break and run pretty hard. We're ultimately looking for a move up towards that 139 level, which is the top of the channel. But as you can see, I mean, we're at a pretty critical level here, where the rollover and continue south, rollover and start heading south, or we continue on the long side up towards the top of that channel, and then potentially onto the top of this, trend line that's in there, 139.40. So it's the Euro, pretty bullish. Moving across the pound on the daily chart. Again, this is broken. This is the Aussie, broken out of the rising wedge that we've been building on. We're looking for a move through 102.10 for an ultimate move up to confluence, which is 102.70. So again, 102.10 is the critical level. It really has to get through there to show us momentum, and then we'll be long up to 102.70. So that coincides with the 1618, the recent swing, and also obviously the daily, which is basically the same swing, and then the larger one. So the 127, 1618 are at 102.77, so we'll look for 102.70. That's the Aussie bullish on that as well. Pound US, big bullish candle last night. We were expecting that on the 30-minute. I hope most of you guys got on board. The trade suggestions that I sent out to everyone that accompany these videos for the guys that actually trade with Alpha should have picked up some money last night. Pound obviously found support where we were looking, broke out. It was basically just an extension of, where is it? Here it is. This resistance level turning into support, and basically continuation of that ascending triangle. So a lot of people would have been looking at this as a break and retest. We're actually looking for it as a false break, basically, and a continuation on the long side. And that was built off this daily. But anyway, basically looking for a move above 163. We need to see momentum through there, and then we'll be looking for 164.25 ultimately. But initially going to sort of find resistance around this 163.40 mark. But again, I wouldn't be surprised to see a candle like last night's again tonight, taking us all the way up to this 164.17 level on the daily chart. So if you do want to subscribe to these alerts, just feel free to send me an email. My email address here is mark.lennox@alphabroking.com.au, and you can reach me on 03 8662 4009.